Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share a Google slide presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then go down and select Share. And you can select Share with others, or you can publish directly to the web. So then at this point, you can copy and paste different email addresses, so Google accounts, if you want to share it via a link, and it'll get emailed directly to them. Or you can go underneath General Access and click the drop down, and you can select anyone with the link can go about viewing it. And you can also copy the link too if you want to share it yourself via email. And you would select Done to save or confirm whatever your choices may be. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.